Destiny riding awaits you. Let's have it straight. There's nothing quite like it, is there? The feeling of being out on the open road on two wheels, the engine humming right under you, the wind in your face, the world zipping by. It's a proper buzz, a freedom you just don't get cooped up in a tin box on four wheels. It's you, the machine, the tarmac, popping to the shops, or heading out for a proper Sunday blast. That feeling is mega. But here's the thing. With that massive buzz comes a bit of bother. Riding a motorbike carries risks. You're more exposed out there than anyone else. No steel cage, no airbags, no seatbelt. It's just you and your wits. It's a serious business. You have to have your head screwed on every single time. These habits are your invisible armor. 5 of them. Think of them as your pre-ride checklist for your brain. Get these locked in and you'll give yourself the best chance of getting home in one piece. First things first. Before you even think about the ignition key, you need to think about what you're wearing. It's not a fashion show. It's about wrapping yourself in the best protection you can get. ATGATT. All the gear, all the time. Every single ride, no matter how short, starts with your lid. A good quality, properly fitting helmet is the most important kit you'll buy. Make sure it's snug and the strap is done up tight. Then a proper jacket, not a hoodie. Real motorcycle jacket with armor, elbows, shoulders, back. The armor soaks impact energy and spreads the force. Your gear takes punishment, so your skin doesn't. Denim won't cut it. Riding trousers with knee and hip armor, same idea down low. Hands are often the first thing down. Get decent gloves. They protect and improve grip. Sturdy boots that cover the ankles protect toes, ankles, and give footing at stops. Putting it on might feel like a faff on hot days, but those minutes are a tiny price to pay. It's part of the ritual and puts you in the right mindset. Helmet, jacket, gloves, trousers, boots. Every time. No shortcuts. It's your uniform for the road. I remember a mate of mine, Bob. He had a low-speed slip on a greasy roundabout. Not fast, maybe 15 miles an hour. He was in full textile kit. He slid a few feet, got up, dusted off, and rode away with scuffed gear and a story. Not a hospital trip. If you drop a helmet hard or crash, replace it. The internal foam can be damaged even if the shell looks okay. Impact and abrasion. Your armor soaks impact. Textiles or leather resist slide. It's often the difference between an inconvenience and weeks off your bike. So that's habit 1. Gear up properly. Next. Your eyes and your brain. Look, and look again. Right, so you're all kit up and ready to go. The next habit is all about your eyes and your brain. On a motorbike, you can't just stare at the back of the car in front. You have to be scanning everywhere, all the time. Think of your vision as a radar system. Look far ahead, to the sides, and in your mirrors. Look for brake lights. Lorry's about to pull out. Spot these early so you have time to react calmly. Check the road surface. Is it shiny? Could be diesel or ice. Is it covered in gravel or potholes? Spot it early. Spotting it early gives you time to slow and change your line calmly, not panic. Don't forget your mirrors. Glance every 5 to 10 seconds. Know who's behind you and how they're driving. Are they too close? Are they on their phone? If you spot a risk, plan your response. When you see a potential hazard, ask yourself, what if that car pulls out? What if that pedestrian steps out? What if a door opens? You'll already have thought about braking or swerving. That preemptive action makes your response smoother. Junctions are the #1 danger zone. Assume other drivers haven't seen you. Scan into side streets and make eye contact where you can. Slow, cover the brakes and be ready. If someone pulls out, you're not surprised. You turn a crisis into a controlled stop. Make scanning a habit. Keep your eyes moving, read the road, and always be one step ahead. Looking buys you time. And time gives you options. Brake gently, change lane, or swerve smoothly. Next, we'll talk about a mindset that keeps you in control. This next one is a big one, especially when you're out with your mates. The habit is simple. Ride your own ride. Your own ride. It means ride at your own pace, within your limits, to your comfort level. It doesn't matter how fast the person in front is going. Don't let anyone pressure you into riding beyond your ability. I saw this at a track day. A chap trying to keep up with someone more experienced. He pushed, missed a corner, and ran into gravel. Thankfully, he was okay, but his bike was a mess. If you chase someone else's ride, you get ragged lines, late braking, and panic. If your mates are faster, let them go. A good group waits at the next junction or cafe. If a car is tailgating you, don't fall for it. Find a safe place and let them pass. It takes 30 seconds. Riding your own ride keeps you in the comfort zone. That's your safety zone. You'll ride longer, smoother, and get better safely. Be honest with yourself, know your limits, and don't let ego ride a check your skill can't cash. Ride your ride, improve progressively, and enjoy the road for years to come. This one sounds like a spy trick, but it's dead simple. Always have an escape route. Whatever the road, ask, if something goes wrong right now, where can I go? Don't sit dead center. Position left or right to be visible in mirrors and to create an escape path inside your lane. If the car in front brakes hard, you need room to swerve. That little lane position gives you a plan B. At lights, don't stop right behind the car. Stop to one side and leave a gap. Keep first gear and watch your mirrors. That little gap is your escape route. Use it safely if you need to get out of trouble. On the motorway, think where you'll go if a lane breaks. The space you move into may not stay clear. Your other escape might be the space you left behind. Constantly weigh up options. Where is the space? Where can I put my bike if the worst happens? By planning escape routes, you create a safety bubble around yourself. Manage the space. It's the key to staying safe in traffic. A small mental habit. Look for options, leave gaps, and always be thinking one move ahead. It takes no effort, but it could save your skin. This last habit is the most important. It's dead serious. Ride 100% sober and 100% alert. Not even one pint. No drugs. Don't ride when you're exhausted, angry, or upset. Anything that dulls or distracts your brain reduces your safety. Even a small amount of alcohol or tiredness slows reactions. That split-second decision to brake or swerve takes longer. If you're not right, don't ride. Sometimes the safest call is to leave the bike and take the bus. Your mind is the most critical piece of safety equipment. Keep it sharp. Zero drinks. Zero compromise. Full gear. Always scanning. Ride your own ride. Have an escape route. Stay sharp. They're not magic tricks. They're the foundations of good, safe riding. Make these habits part of who you are. It's on you. Stay safe out there, look after yourselves, and I'll see you out on the road. Proper job.